Well done, my sister. Oh, how you doing? Hey, my wonderful client. So, ma'am, what look are we going for today? Sit down, sir. Well, I came here to give you some gist. Yes. Do you know that girl that lives in my compound? Which girl? They used to wear bomb shirt up and down. The girl that came to your shop that day with one of our yeye friend like that. Yes, that they were pricing the cup anyhow. Oh, I don't really know, but my landlord, she gets impregnated by my landlord. So even my landlord safe. I saw him with his cousin's friend. Okay. Yes, I saw him with his cousin's friend. They went to buy suya for their self. I even went to meet him safe. I told him that this thing that you are doing is not good. Should you give my friend, our neighbor, you gave her pregnant. The next day started shouting. He started saying, me, I like her, but I don't care. Can you just imagine? Hey, tell my landlord.
Continue.
Ma, what exactly? Sister Bisi. Hey, let's start this in our church. Imagine her coming to church, wearing "Show me your back," and those. Inside the church of God. Imagine. In fact, this is well.
5 hours later.
What exactly should we? What makeup look like? See, don't even worry, sir. Yes, today I did not come for any makeup. I'll come tomorrow for it. I just came here to come and give you all gist. And now that you have heard it now, my mind is at peace. Okay. So I have to go now. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you.